which are the 10 largest animals in the world. First we have is the biggest animal of our planet Earth. It is the blue whale. Then we have the largest bird, which is the ostrich. Next is the largest reptile, and that's the saltwater crocodile. Next we have is the heaviest land mammal, and that's the African bush elephant. Moving on to the largest amphibian, there's the Chinese giant salamander. Then we have the capybara, which is the largest rodent. Next is the giant anaconda, which is the largest snake. Now let's see who's next on the list. We have the largest lizard, which is the Komodo dragon. Then there's the Japanese spider crab, which is the largest arthropod. And this is the Titan beetle, which is the largest insect. And with that, it also brings us to the end of our list for the day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you also check out our other videos to join us on our other fun adventures. You can find the links in the description box below. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.